What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're driving today a 2023 Tesla Model Y, which is the most sold electric vehicle in the world. Today we're gonna find out why. But first, I need to charge this car because I only got like 16% battery. So yeah, let's go to the supercharger station. And as you can see right here, we're currently at 16%. So we're gonna go ahead and tap the screen. And there's a little icon right here with the lightning bolt. We're gonna press that and go to the nearest supercharging station. As you can see, you have the one lightning bolt, that's for the slowest ones, and the 3 lightning bolt is for the supercharger. And yeah, we're gonna find the nearest one and navigate to it. The reason you want to navigate to a charging station is because the vehicle will know that you're going to the station, and it will precondition the battery so that when you're charging, it'll take a lot less time. My battery is so low that it's not preconditioning the battery. So that means that when I get to the station, I'm gonna take a very long time. Probably about 40 minutes. I'll probably charge up to like 60% or 70 or something like that. I don't wanna spend a lot of time because, you know, I got things to do. And that's actually the downside of driving an electric vehicle. Every time you need to charge your car, it's gonna take you 30, 40, 50, depending on the car, but it's gonna take you a long time to charge, and that's something I don't like. The Tesla Model Y is also a dual motor, so it's extremely fast. I mean, you just step on the gas and it goes. And bam! Charging a Tesla Model Y is very simple. Basically, if you already have your account set up, all you have to do is just pull up and just plug in the car. So it's very simple. We're gonna go ahead and back up in here into one of the stations. Let's take the one with the shade. There you go. Put it in park. And that's it. And right here it tells you that we are charging limit to 80, and right here it says it will take about 30 minutes. So we'll sit back and relax and wait for the charging to stop. Also, in the meantime, while we wait, if I wanted to, I could just go here and I could play games. Where is it? Arcade. You know, I could play games, but I think I'm just gonna set up my alarm, put my seat back, and take a little nap. You know, 30 minutes, I need it. Okay, yeah, I overslept. We are charged up to 90%, so we're gonna go ahead and stop the charge. One of the reasons this has become the best-selling electric car in the world is because people have learned to love Tesla. They have a very huge fan base, and especially the Teslas, they're known for their, you know, the comfortability, their speed, the range. You get about a 300. This is the long range dual motor, all-wheel drive Tesla Model Y. So you get about 300 to 330 miles of range on a full charge, which is actually pretty good, and a lot better than some of the competitors. It's also very practical. It has great performance. This thing is very fast compared to other electric vehicles, and very reliable. Of course it's reliable. It's an electric car. Like, what is there to break? You get over-the-air upgrades. Let's go ahead and step on the gas here real quick. Oh. Yeah, it's fast, guys. So yeah, you get over-the-air updates, which significantly improves the car over time. You have a very spacious interior, although this is basically a Tesla Model 3 enlarged. They basically got a Tesla Model 3 and they they brought up the roof. They shaped it into an SUV. The interior is exactly the same that you get in a Tesla Model 3, which is it's crazy. Although the rear seats are a little different, but other than that, it's the same thing as a Tesla Model 3. A Model Y just like this one will cost you about $55,000, and it's available worldwide in many countries, with China being the main market. And that's another reason why it's one of the best-selling electric cars in the world. I've heard that in China they're everywhere. The interior is very comfortable. You have these very nice leather seats. You have this huge panoramic roof, which you cannot open. It's a fixed glass roof, but it's very nice. It's polarized, so even if the sun is hitting you, you don't feel it. So yeah, drives very comfortable. This thing has every single safety feature you can think of. I mean, Teslas are known for driving themselves. You can literally just put this thing on autopilot and it will take you wherever you want to go with full autopilot capabilities. I'm not about to do that because I don't trust it. I just don't trust it. I'd rather drive myself. You have a very nice leather steering wheel. You have 2 wireless chargers. You have storage space right over here with 2 USB Type-C connectors right there. You have 2 cup holders. You have this huge screen that do a whole bunch of things, including navigation. You have a cup holder on the doors. You have seating space for 5 adults, 3 in the back, 2 in the front. You got plenty of cargo space. Nice sun visors. Everything feels very nice. You have a little bit of Alcantara right here. But yeah, very nice interior in the Tesla. I also review a Tesla Model 3. So if you guys go in the channel, actually I'm going to put the link in the description so you guys can take a look at that one, where I go into full detail about the screen. And yeah, it's basically the same thing between the Tesla Model 3 and the Tesla Model Y when it comes to the infotainment system. There is also about 13 speakers in here that when you fine tune it, like the way I do it, the speakers, I have no complaints. They sound great. They sound like they put like premium speakers like Bose or something. They're not Bose. I think they're like in-house Tesla speakers, but they sound amazing. I find very cool the way you control the AC. You basically just swipe up, or you can just tap, and you can direct the air wherever you want it, like that, on both sides. So yeah, I think that's very cool. Teslas are also known for having bad interiors, like bad quality, but I don't see it. Compared to other cars, I think it's pretty good. Right there, you have a little bit of panel gap, but I mean, that's about it. I don't really see anything too crazy. There's barely any buttons in this car. Everything is controlled through the screen. The AC controls, the radio, navigation, the speed is right there. You know, if you want to adjust the mirrors or the steering wheel, everything is controlled on the screen. Even if you want to turn on the lights, it's controlled on the screen. The car, it's very fast. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Yeah, the car is very fast. Yep. Yeah, it's fast. And man, you can't get it, the speed, it doesn't get old. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up right here. Okay, so let me do a quick walk around of the exterior of this car. All right, so let me give you guys a side profile view of the Tesla Model Y. So you can see you have your Tesla emblem right there. You have this very nice modern look. You also have fog lights. The vehicle will lock up the moment it sees there's no driver inside the vehicle, and you have the keys with you. You have big 20-inch alloy wheels. You have a camera right here on each side with also a turn signal indicator. You have another camera right there. Charging port is on the driver's side. You just tap and it opens. When it closes back up. Sorry, the car is a little dirty, but there's no shark fin antenna or anything like that. You have your Tesla emblem right there. You have a badge that says dual motor. Of course, this is an electric car, so there's no exhaust or anything like that. But there you have it. Let's take a look on the front. So to open the front, you just tap right here. And you have decent amount of space. As you can see, you have a tow hook right here. But that's pretty much it. You can probably fit a small bag. Have your windshield wiper reservoir right there. Let's take a look at the trunk. To open the trunk, same thing. And as you can see, you have a decent amount of space. You have your charging cables, which they're supposed to be inside that bag, but you know, they're outside of the bag. You also have a little bit of storage right there on each side. You have these buttons that you can fold the seats for extra space. That one got stuck because the front seat is all the way back, but you get the point. You have a light right there, 2 speakers in the back. There's about 13 speakers in this car, which is amazing. If you want to close, you have a button. Just press the button and it should go close. There you go. In the back, you get the same materials as in the front. Very nice Alcantara, leather, and also a little bit of plastic. You got a little bit of storage space. That's your speaker. Just put these seats back. You have 2 cup holder in the center armrest. You have 2 USB Type-C right under the AC vent. You have a storage pocket behind the driver and the passenger seat. And that's about it. And again, just another quick look. That's the driver's side. Door panel. You have this door seal that says Model Y. Very well built electric car. A lot of technology. For a reason, it's the best selling electric car in the world. You know, I highly recommend it if you're looking, if you're in the market for an electric car. This is a great option. All right, guys, so that is it on the Tesla Model Y. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe for more car content. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace out.